Hi, this is Heidi. I own the store, Teachers Pay Teacher the Lesson Pony. And today's lab is going to be how to make strawberry jam from green tomatoes. In this video, I will give you the exact ingredients on how to do it and the method. As you can see, this tomato plant has seen better days, and it should be noted, I'm filming this in the beginning of September. In New England, we have a very short growing season, and a lot of times the plants die off before the tomatoes have a chance to become red. This is a recipe you can use that will make delicious homemade jam. The students greatly enjoy doing it. It's easy to do. Thank you for viewing, and if you like this video, please hit like. Also, if there are any videos that you would like or have questions with any labs, please let me know. I would be happy to help you out if I can. For ingredients, you need the following 3 items. 3 cups of green tomatoes. A lot of times you can get your students to bring in the green tomatoes. 2 cups sugar and 1 package of either gelatin, strawberry or raspberry gelatin. What you do is the following. I recommend, Creamy, don't eat those. I recommend that you take the green tomatoes at home and you puree them in your food processor. I have brought them into the class and done it in front of the students with a food processor. However, it makes a lot of noise and a lot of mess, and you're just as far ahead. Creamy, don't eat those. Sorry that she's eating the flowers. So you're just as far ahead making it at home, the puree. You bring in a big pot with 3 cups of mushed green tomatoes. Add to that 2 cups of sugar and 1 package of gelatin. I will put all these ingredients below so you don't have to watch this video another time. Take a hot plate and sear the contents until you're just before a boil. Put it in the refrigerator overnight and let the students taste it. Now, there's several things you can do with this. One is you can discuss what you think is in food and what really is in food. Another thing that works really well is on Parents' Night. I always try to do this 2 days before Parents' Night. The reason being is on Parents' Night you can let them sample a little bit of the jelly, discuss it with them. I get out nice little teaspoons. I get them at the dollar store, little plates, crackers. I leave out the recipe. That way the parents can actually see what you're doing in the class. Stop it. Parents can see what you're actually doing in the classroom, but you're not going through all the work of a big lab prep. If you have the students bring the green tomatoes from home, make sure they ask permission. I once climbed into an old lady's garden and stole all her green tomatoes. If you like this video, please let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I will leave the entire instructions in the passage below. So thank you and stay safe. And I'm sorry, Creamy was not acting very well today, but we'll have to excuse her. Have a great day, stay safe, and good luck this year in school. Thank you again, Heidi and Creamy.